Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to edit profile on Grindr. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to edit your profile, for that what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, what you have to do is scroll down. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for edit profile. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the edit profile interface. From here, you'll be able to edit the profile informations. You'll be able to find various profile details over here. You can simply edit them. First of all, you can add the photo if you want. If you want to add the photo, simply tap on the section of photos. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the photo. Simply tap on the plus icon. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to add the photo. You'll be able to take a photo, or you can also choose from gallery. Simply tap on the option of your choice and go ahead and add the photo. Likewise, you can also edit the display name. If you want to edit the display name, tap on the field of display name. Now after doing that, you'll be able to edit it. Likewise, you'll also be able to edit the About Me section. For that, tap on the field of About Me. Now you can enter what to display in the About Me section over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to add the tags. For that, you can tap on the option My Tags and you'll be able to add the tags. Likewise, you'll be able to edit the details like age, height, weight, ethnicity, body type, position, tribes, and relationship status. Also, you'll be able to add a trip over here. Also, you'll be able to find the section for expectations. You'll also be able to edit the expectations details over here. You'll also be able to edit the details related with identity. You'll be able to edit the gender, pronouns. Also, you'll be able to edit the details related with the health, HIV status, last tested, health practices, vaccinations, etc. Also, you'll be able to find the section for social. You'll be able to enter your Instagram username, X handle, Facebook username, etc. Also, you'll be able to connect with Spotify. After you're done editing your profile, you can tap on this option Save that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you do that, your profile information will be updated. So like this, you'll be able to edit the profile. So that is how you edit profile on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.